Okay, here we go with cold start video take one. These never have very good production value, but I'll give it a shot. Show you how cold it is. There's my head on the exhaust manifold, nice and cold. Car hasn't been started at all in a couple days, so we'll see how this all works out as I get in. Make sure it's in neutral. Put the clutch down. Pump the gas a few times. Oh, look at that. It starts right on up. Obviously, the emergency brake is on. There's the gauges doing their thing. Still cold. And, well, there you have it.